In this video, you will learn how to build a website with Siteground Website Builder. First, sign up and choose a hosting plan. Go to siteground.com, choose a hosting plan such as Startup, Grow Big or Go Geek. Complete the sign-in process and register a domain if needed. Access site tools and set up WordPress. Log into your Siteground account. Go to Websites and Site Tools next to Domain. Under WordPress, install and manage. Click Install New WordPress. Follow the prompts to create login credentials. Launch the Siteground Website Builder. Once WordPress is installed, Siteground offers Elementor, which is a main website builder. Go to your site's WordPress dashboard. Navigate to Plugins and Installed Plugins and activate the Elementor Website Builder. Choose or import a template. Go to Pages and Add New, then click Edit with Elementor. You can choose the starter template for Elementor's library. Customize the template with your own text, images, layouts, and even color scheme. Customize your website. Use the drag and drop features to build your homepage, about page, contact forms, and other pages you may need. Add widgets such as text boxes, images, galleries, buttons, and more. Set up a navigation menu. Go to Appearance, Menus in WordPress dashboard. Click Create a new menu and assign it to your primary navigation area. Preview and publish. Use your preview button in Elementor to see your changes and how they look. Click Publish when you're ready to make your site live. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.